Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So what do I have for you today? I'm going to show you how I made the flowing sunflowers for my enclosed porch. Let me show you. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. So now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Now don't forget to click that like button, because every time you do, this helps me to grow on YouTube. And also comment below, because I would love to hear from you. Okay, so here we have a bunch of sunflowers that I purchased from the Dollar Tree, some of them in white and some of them in the yellow. We're going to go ahead and cut those down so that we can use them with the jute twine that we're going to use to hang the flowers. So the length of the jute twine, which is what we're using to glue the flowers on, that will depend totally on how long you want the flowers. Also, the spacing in between each flower is totally up to you. I'll show you what I mean. So now, because this process takes a little bit of time, I'm going to go ahead and leave you to some music, and then I'll see you at the end when I'm done cutting the flowers. Now this is the perfect time while I'm cutting these flowers to update you on the upcoming collabs or the ongoing collabs. One of them is every week, and that one is called Tablescape Tuesdays. And you can jump in at any time. It's any style, any color, any theme. That is pretty awesome. You can decide where you're going to set your table. You're not restricted to a dining room table. And the best part is that you get to express yourself and meet other people. Now this particular collab is an open playlist, and it's every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So let's move on to the next one. Now every second Saturday of the month, we are hosting Sophisticated Saturdays, and that's being hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, which is the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures, Courtney. So now the best thing about this collab is that you can pretty much decorate any area of your home, and it doesn't even have to be indoors. It could also be your outdoor space. You can decorate it with style, class, sophistication, elegance. You bring it on, and we will be there to cheer you on. Now, what I enjoy about these collaborations is that you can always learn from somebody else's style, and that is one of the best things that I enjoy. You also get to express and step out of the box with other decorators, and this helps you to grow. Okay, so now moving back to the video. You saw me put hot glue on the back of those sunflowers because I didn't want the sunflowers or the leaves to move around. So I kind of hot glued those. Then what I did is I cut the jute twine in strips, and I cut them in as many strips as I wanted the flowing flowers to be. What I'm going to do now is separate each one of the sunflowers in the spacing that I like, and make sure that you can do the same to what you like, and also the length, like as I said earlier. So what I'm going to do is put a dot of glue on behind each one of those flowers, and then place the jute twine between each flower. You'll see what I mean. So as you can see here, it's going to take me a little while, and it's going to be repetition to get all of these rows done before we could even go ahead and hang these. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music while I continue to finish these rows. Oh my goodness, didn't these sunflowers come out absolutely beautiful? I cannot wait to hang these. Okay, so it looks like we're getting ready to head on over to the reveal, guys.